All right, traders, and do a quick audio check. Can I just everyone just give me a chat back? You can hear loud and clear. Everybody hear good? All right, good. Sorry for the little delay. Just we're broadcasting live right now at the Vienna Hotel. We're doing the on-site here, and we're gonna be here for 2 days, so it's gonna be a fun, exciting on-site. So if you haven't any issues logging into the on-site webcast, if you're watching, do webcasts, just please make sure you check that email and. If you need anything there, just be able to, oops, I just got my pen, make sure I get everything here, and we'll go from there. So anyway, a couple of really, really nice moving stocks. First of all, let's start off, I want to talk about what's called Pixie. My God, look at this big pop on this Pixie trade. You can see right here, this thing was split like a gazillion times. It was not a $1,000 stock. Was it $1,000 stock?
There you go, you're good now there.
But the stock, I'm sorry, $10,000 stock. What am I talking about? $20,000 stock. Man, talking about splits after splits after splits. Anyway, after going all the way to 20,000, I think that's got to be the lowest reverse stock I've seen. 20,000 all the way down to $1. Sounds like dryers, almost. But anyway, it's on a really, really nice move right now. We're going to keep a close eye on it. And you check over here. You can see they had some pretty good pops. Check it over here on level 4. And let me just zoom out here a little bit further. You can see there's a couple of orders that showed up here around 8 o'clock. Not the prettiest level 4 as much as I like, but damn, we only need one. And it's going to be a fun one right here, the Pixie, PIXY. Keep a close eye on that. A couple other stocks that are also moving. This one is gapped up. This one was reverse stock split. You can see that one. It was all the way down here at about 18 cents. It did a reverse stock split. Stock right here made a nice little pop up to 3. It's trying to go up a little bit. I had it here on level 4 on right here. Here she is. So looking at it, you had a big buyer right here. Not huge, but 5,000, 4,000. I would say when you add that all together, probably close to about maybe 10, 15,000. It's holding pretty strong right there, but he pulled his order. He wasn't there that long and started going up. So you can see you got resistance levels here, 450. So what else we got going on here? Yeah, it kind of makes sense right around there. Move this over right here. This is actually our, put this down here actually. That's actually our webcam. Our webcast is going on for our on-site. So yeah, you can see $5. Go back 2 days. Yeah, we got some resistance levels back here. So if we can get past that, the stock could really make a nice little move right here. So once again, Pixie obviously is doing hell of a lot better. Look how nice that is. $28 stock. How pretty is that? 70 cents going up. Came here at 8 o'clock this morning, 8:30, $1.30, looking really, really well. Anyway, a lot of good volatility on that one, especially when you have a $20,000 stock. What else we have? I looked at this one right here. I don't know if I was too crazy on it. Stock came down a little bit here after making a big run. Did I put level 4 on this one? I think I did, actually. Yeah, I did. So maybe this is the reason why I did it. Big little iceberg order right here, right around this 210, 20,000. Got another 17,000. Somebody showed up right here to buy it for about 24,000. A lot of cheapies. I mean, like really, really inexpensive stocks. I'll put this on my watch list. CRDF. Not terrible right there. So we got 3. The top 3 doesn't look bad. I mean, still the Pixies, obviously, the one we're going to look at. Ooh, this one we traded a while ago. MLKN, that was one of them that we've traded. A little bit more on the expensive side. Put this out and zoom out here a little bit. So this stock, you can see, is probably being on this big gap up from yesterday. Kind of tells you probably earnings, and it's still going higher. Don't know what the orders are going to look like. MLKN. MLKN. I get some data out here. Yeah, not looking that pretty right there. You see how low this is what you got to watch out for. See all the tier sizes. Remember, one of the biggest things we teach at CyberTrade University, and we'll talk about it today, is if there's not a lot of buyers and sellers that you break the first T, that's going to be a big issue. Vino, this one, oh my God, I remember this stock back in February. This thing ran from $1 to $5. It doesn't look that it's moving that much right now, but I'll definitely put it on the B list. VINO. You can see it was a reverse stock split right here too. 20-cent stock opened up another reverse stock splits. Not getting too many stock splits. Everything's a reverse stock split. All right, that pretty much does it there. Let's see on the losers list. FFIE, another huge runner. This stock was all the way up to about the $90 price range, down to $1.90, and still going lower. You know, one of the big things I always talk about, we teach this in class, is that when you break all-time lows, people always ask, where's the next support level? I'm like, well, 0. You're not too far now. You're at $1.07. So 26% might sound like a lot, but seeing where it started from, it's a hell of a lot worse than that. Well, we're not trading that anyway, so I think it was just pretty funny just for educational purposes. What else we got here? These old garbage. New York City, NYC. Not really NYC, New York City, but simply can't forget. $2, 385,000 shares. Didn't really do anything yesterday. I mean, it did move back in March, so we know it can do something. It did get a lot. Put on the watch list. I'll put on the B list. NYC. I mean, this one, on the other hand, this one's moving up pretty decent. 72,000 shares, pre-market. Horrible spread. Not interested. DNA. We trade this stock too in the past too. Very slow stock. 3 million shares. That one. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for stock that has some good volume. DNA is not bad. Keep an eye on that. Ooh, chips. The stock was a fun stock. CHPT, we trade this thing too. This one, ChargePoint, nice little move right there. I don't know. Keep hearing about there was this big funding by the, from the White House. They're going to give $100 million to fix all these charge points. Still waiting for the thing to move, and it still hasn't moved yet. But ChargePoint has been a fun stock. We traded that stock in the past. That's about it. Everything else looks like old garbage. These are all. Always like to go through the most active too. Any stocks. I think we hit every one of these stocks right here. FEMY. These are all the guys. So Pixie's looking really, really nice. I mean, listen. Pixie's obviously got a big push. Remember what happened yesterday? We traded a stock yesterday. It had a big push yesterday. And when the market opened up, it went, what am I know, $2-3? What was that stock symbol again that we traded? Anybody remember? Top of your head? It's so funny how we have amnesia. It's like every day. It's like, I know it was a 4-letter symbol. I know that. But anyway.
RNAZ.
Was it RAMD?
Yeah,
What's it? What is it? R what?
RNAZ.
RNAZ. Yeah.
AD.
Z.
Was it a Z?
Yeah, RNAZ.
Okay, yeah. No, I think it was. Well, no, it wasn't RNZ, was it?
That was Monday.
Yeah, that was that other
Was
one
it
that made
NLG?
Funky run. It doesn't really matter. At the end, the point I'm getting to is that a lot of people can't do